Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the connection and power. That eliminates simple causes. First, check whether the keyboard is in a USB port or paired over Bluetooth and verify indicator lights. Once done, shut down or restart your PC, then unplug the keyboard for 10 to 15 seconds to clear transient faults. If wireless, replace batteries or recharge. If wired, switch to a different USB port. These steps rule out power, port, and pairing issues before deeper troubleshooting. Now you address software and driver causes because the OS often blocks input. Open Device Manager and locate the keyboard. Try Update Driver first. If issues started recently, use Rollback, otherwise uninstall and reboot to force reinstall. Next, check accessibility. Turn off filter keys and sticky key options since they can block keystrokes. Finally, boot into safe mode to see if the keyboard works there. If it does, a third-party app or driver conflict is likely causing the problem. Finish with hardware verification and replacements because a physical fault needs a physical fix. Test the keyboard on another computer to confirm whether it's dead. If keys still fail, clean keycaps and switches with compressed air and isopropyl swabs to remove debris and sticky residue. If individual switches are damaged, replace them or the keyboard. For laptops, consider professional repair. If you're stuck, use the on-screen keyboard or a USB temporary keyboard. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: swap the cable and test another known good port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.